What's going on, guys? K7 Skills here, and today I'm unboxing the new Hypervenoms. You can buy these from the cell in the description below, guys, and if you want to get them before Christmas, you want to order now pretty much. So yeah, sorry for not uploading as much, but I had college and loads of assignments, so I'll be back on the track this week, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video.
Oh my God!
For some reason the camera didn't pick up the correct colour of the boot, which is Volt and Light Blue, so I thought I'd tell you guys in the end of this video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll be uploading now twice a week, every single week, guys.
DJ playing the songs